Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom a video on CapCut Mobile. First, open the CapCut app and tap on New Project. Then, choose the video you want to zoom in and tap Add. Once your video is on the timeline, tap on it to select it. Now, to zoom in on a specific part of your video, move the white playhead to the point where you want the zoom to start and tap the keyframe icon, which looks like a small diamond shape. After adding the first keyframe, move the playhead forward to where you want the zoom to end. Then use your two fingers to pinch and zoom on the preview screen until it's as close as you want. You'll see that a second keyframe automatically appears, creating a smooth zoom effect between those 2 points. You can play the video to see how it zooms in naturally. If you want to adjust the speed of the zoom, simply move the second keyframe closer to the first one for a faster zoom or farther apart for a slower one. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap the export button at the top to save your video. That's it. You have learned how to zoom video on CapCut Mobile and say thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.